It's not big, I thought, but it's fighting.
It's not even that big. It's not even that big. What are you doing? It's not even that big.
Big enough.
I was expecting that to be a lot bigger.
That's our first one.
For that. Well, I know that you guys cannot see me right now, but we are about to let in, and we're down at Table Rock Lake for the weekend. It is about, I'll say, 12, almost like 11 feet high right now. There is the courtesy dock that we cannot get on because it's underwater and they will not fix it. Say hi to the geese. And the ramp, there's like nothing left of it. There's the ramp, the water. So we got no room to really put in, and taking out is not that easy. But we make it do. Look at it, there's the water already. There ain't no ramp. That's what's crazy. You gotta walk out. You gotta walk out in that mess.
I'm gonna get my feet wet. Oh, this is cold. How in the world are people skiing and swimming in this? Holy cow.
I don't know what the heck it was, but it was not wanting to reverse off. And you saw how much I was better it.
Might not be that big.
He's coming in here fast. He's coming in here fast. Here he comes.
I don't know where you're going.
Oh, he's
don't force it.
I'm gonna run right now.
Don't know how big he is. That's a largemouth. Oh, got a largie. 2 Kentuckys and a largie off this spot.
They're starting to bite now. Keep going.
Yeah, we caught a few fish. Had to go out deep water to do it though. We're on a bluff. Report was you catch them shallow, but gave up on that. Gonna catch a fish. There, biggest one.
And I beat you. You can't beat me. This is definitely bigger than yours. Sounds like this is a 3-pounder. 200. Where's that line at?
There he goes.
I'm gonna grab our tail.
Hey, pulled one off.
You can't beat me in weight.
Right before we're going back.
I don't know when the last time you tried beat me in the weight. I don't know. When was the last time that you beat me in weight? Bigger one too. No. What side you putting up on? What side you putting up on?
Right here. Got him right here. Woohoo, he's taking my drag. Like that.
Come on.
It's not huge, but still.
Come on.
Another smallie. Another smallie.
They're not that big, but whenever you hook a big one, it's gonna.
Yeah, they're long and
pull.
skinny. I mean, he's over 15, but.
Once you hook into a big one, it's gonna pull. Like a 20-inch one.
First one of the morning. It is about 18, 20 feet. Go back to your depths. Need a new trailer. Oh, it's starting to feel bigger.
It is? Okay.
Kind of
Wherever he first comes up, I'm gonna get him.
good steady pull.
Don't get in the face of the pole. Come on. Where you at, buddy? How deep down is he still?
I didn't think it was that big at first. It might be bigger.
Come on.
2 pounders can fool you though.
Come on.
Oh, missed him. He's long.
Come on. Oh, good. Why did it hit you right there?
This probably didn't break my line because he swallowed it. I felt my line on his teeth. But they are fun to catch. I don't care if they're 2 pounds or 4 pounds. That thing's probably 17, 18 inches.
Biggest one yet.
What did it do? Start swimming to you?
Biggest one, no. I just felt solid weight. It was heavy weight. It wasn't moving, nothing. I don't wait.
He'll stay down. He'll stay down.
Oh, it's tiny. It's cool my dad. It's tiny. It's cool my dad. It's pretty small.
Let's get him up here. Want a boat one, don't you? Hey, you boated one. See? No matter the size. Size don't matter. Get in the boat.
It was in the net, so it counted. Anyways, before it came off. It's pretty big, right? Try those eyes on. Flip. Over the branch. Move over. Hey, I came over the branch and took it. Oh, damn.
Throw it in there. Throw it in there.
Get it in. What the hell? He was in the net. You just didn't
I
look
couldn't
up.
keep it in there. I went one-handed. He swallowed
Oh
it.
my god, it's gone. How the heck did he swallow that thing? I was lifting it over a freaking thing and then he took. Push him or?
Nah.
Started down the water. Swing?
There he goes.
Hey, Dad, look. I felt weight. I'm like, oh god, what the hell happened?
Grab it. It's gonna come off.
Go. Flop out yourself.
Well, it counts.
Go. Broke it in half.
Hey, caught one.
Ow, it's right on my finger. Can you not?
Jig again. Put everything else down. Not give her many bites, but only bites we can get is jig. Come here.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, just get off my phone. I'm sure it's fine. Buddy.
I see your trailer. I guess you put a trailer in that.
Ow,
It's not a big one, but it's a big one for this weekend. It's a keeper.
he's peeing. He's freaking peeing. You done?
You got another one.
Yeah, Dad, wait, where are your fish at? Yeah, where are your fish at, buddy?
They're in the water.
Yeah, we're at in the water, like right there. Right in the
I don't know where they're at.
How
They're
big?
somewhere.
1.5?
Probably. I mean, it's over 15 inches. Keeper just spawned out.
Back off again. Half ounce jig comes in play. I'm catching fish right in there. Man, that's what fish get fun. Good one. Good? Poke hook him.
Woo!
Don't worry.
Got one.
They are in the bushes right now. Man, this fish is good, bro. Large,
No,
no.
but
Spot.
13 inches. That's large.
Oh, why don't I orange then?
I don't know why you can't figure it out.
The eyes are orange. That's what I normally tell.
By the ladder lines. Was not a spot.
But decent.
Oh, we got a drag set light.
I caught it too. That's the funny thing. I caught it too. I got a catch one right here. I caught it. Freaking large.
Spot.
I can tell
14 inches.
Oh my god, I'm soaked.
You can measure that if you want. I'm about close to 15.
Look at. Oh god. Could be
Ain't
15.
going quite 15. I'm gonna go close.
Nope, not 15.
14 and a half.
14. Oh, it's got to swim off. 14 and a half, 14. I caught it too. I'm gonna catch one right here. Flipped up in there, caught it. That's how you know that it's getting good. If you can call a cat.
That feel bigger. The same size as yours.
Just in case if he fell off. Just in case he falls.
Okay, come on, come on, come on. He's in the roof of his mouth.
Come on, they're on jig. It's shallow. Well, yeah.
Another one, about 14 inches. Well, at least they're moving up a little bit shallow. I don't know.